Gerald Mitchell Fine Gael. Vote number 1, Gerald Mitchell Fine Gael. I believe in public service, not self-service. I believe in to combat antisocial behaviour, promote rural services, promote infrastructure and help the old, the young, the disabled and the most vulnerable in society, and helping people from all social backgrounds, including the rich and the poor. I also believe in transparency, accountability and justice from the top down. With the amalgamation of the city and the county councils, a strong voice is needed now more than ever in rural areas. I will be that voice for you. I have a great reputation for straight talking and I'm a skilled negotiator. I'm approachable and friendly, and I'll have an open door policy and I'll be available to the constituents 24/7. I also, in the last 5 years, have gone through tough times. As you know, the auctioneering is allied to the building industry. I know what people are feeling. So I would be proud to stand up and represent you in these trying times. I will work hard for you and with you, and I will endeavour to do my best and uphold the office with integrity. I will do the job because I can do the job, and I'll represent you in a fair and honourable manner. Gerald Mitchell can and will do the job, and I will be the voice for you. Vote Gerald Mitchell Fine Gael. Vote Gerald Mitchell number 1 on the 23rd of May 2014. Thank you.